how you should use this particular soap. Welcome, my name is Damla. If you're joining me for the first time, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notification, like this video, and share as much as you can. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this particular soap called Veet Gold Transparent Soap. So stick around and do not go anywhere at all. Alright, let's get into it. The Veet Gold Transparent Soap says whitening and toning. Does it whiten the skin? No. Does it tone the skin? Yes. Does it brighten the skin? Yes. Does it make your skin fairer? Yes. Now let's go to the amazing ingredient that it has. It says it has natural ingredients. Now it has herbal extract in it. Anything herbal, oh my god, I jump on it. I'm always loving it. I'm always loving it. That's actually one of the things that made me fall in love with extract papaya calamansi. It has Kojic Acid, it has aqua, which is water, it has glycerin, which helps to glow the skin. If you are wondering what is making your product glow you up, it could be glycerin actually, because glycerin does the magic for people that have dry skin. Especially when you have dry skin, you need to have something that is giving you that glow. So glycerin is what does the job. That means if you use this soap, you should expect some glow, some radiation, some glow, some glowing looking skin, right? And it has tetrasodium. Tetrasodium also helps to not glow the skin, but it helps, your soap to lather well. When it comes to the foamy consistency, that is what this particular ingredient will do to your skin. If you're noticing that your soap is just so foamy, it has this foamy consistency, it is that ingredient that is doing that particular job. And not just that, this particular ingredient also serves as a preservative. It helps your soap not to become rancid. That is what it's going to do. So it all encompasses. It does a lot of things aside just all those things I've mentioned. It seems like it's going to be a good soap, right? Alright. If you have used this soap before, come to the comment section and let's hear your comments about it. What do you think about it, right? Second ingredient called tintamion. Now tintamion helps to brighten the skin. It helps to like give that fairer look on your skin, lighter look on your skin. That is the ingredient called tintamion. That's actually what's going to do to your skin. If you're wondering why, okay, your skin is getting all brightened up, that is the job of tintamion. That is what is going to do to your skin. That's actually why this particular ingredient is incorporated in this particular soap, right? So with that being said, we can say that the soap is actually good, right? Now, they did not stop there. They told us specifically that this soap has an amazing ingredient, but not just that. It will help to fade your white patches. It helps to fade your white patches. It helps to clear dark spots, hyperpigmentation. It will also help to clear stretch marks from your skin. If you have stretches, I don't really think it is going to be a fast result when it comes to stretch marks. I feel like you might have to be patient. You don't expect to use this kind of soap and get your result in 7 days, because it even says categorically that it's actually natural ingredients. It has natural ingredients, and natural ingredients, they're not very fast when it comes to results. You have to be very patient with the results. But if you really want to get the results, you don't expect 7 days whitening or whitening up in 7 days or stretch mark cleanse in 7 days. You don't get that from product like this. You need to be very patient, because they use natural ingredients to formulate this particular soap. So I would advise that if you're using this particular soap, you need to be very patient and don't just expect your results so fast like that. Please be patient and you will get the actual result that you're looking for. And if you react to it, maybe you start using it and you're having reactions, just put a stop to it. But this is how I feel like you should use this. So this is how, please pay attention to this particular part. This is how you should use this particular soap. Now, if you're using a soap like this that is definitely going to leave you fairer or leave you looking so fairer and brighter and lighter and all that, you need to blend or incorporate a brightening product with this kind of soap. Even though it's not going to leave your skin dry, like extract soap or Kojic Acid or Asante soap, but you need to actually incorporate something that will brighten and also glow your skin. You need so much hydration in your skincare routine for this particular soap. You need hydration. You still need hydration, because anything that's actually going to leave your skin looking lighter, you need to attach hydration to it, like more hydrating product to it. Does that make sense? So if you're using this particular soap, I would advise that you go for Dove lotion. Somebody asked me, should I go for Dove lotion or Nivea lotion? And I said, depends on what you're trying to achieve. For me personally, I'll go for Dove lotion because I know that I'm still going to use the body oil. But if you're not going to use a body oil, I would advise you to go for Nivea, Radiant and Beauty Precisely, the one that has vitamin C and turmeric. Because I love turmeric, by the way, because it heals the skin. So use that particular lotion Nivea that has vitamin C and turmeric in it if you don't intend to use body oil. But if you want to use body oil, you can go for Dove because Dove brightens the skin. Nivea brightens the skin. They both brighten the skin, right? If I were you, I would actually still use body oil because I want so much hydration in my skincare routine. So go for a body oil. You can go for Dr. You can go for the Zara body oil or go for Vaseline body oil or go for Avenor. There are quite a number of body oils out there that tends to like brighten the skin. Go for brightening product. Brighten product. And let me tell you this, don't use this soap on your face. I repeat, do not use this soap on your face. Why? Because I don't know your skin type. And that is why we are having a skincare consultation, a live skincare consultation that is coming up, as English, coming up on the 23rd of December. So if you haven't signed up for this particular consultation, which comes with a very affordable cost at $3, please sign up. This is actually going to help you know your skin type. I don't know your skin type, right? So that is why I would say that you should not use this soap on your face. Please sign up for that consultation. It's very, very important. 23rd is just right at the corner. Trust me, it's not far. So you need to sign up before that particular date. Before that particular date, not on that date, before that particular date, guys, by paying into that account, and your names are going to be written down, like registered down, basically, to know who are going to be part of the attendees at that particular consultation. So I don't know your skin type, so I can't tell you to use this particular soap on your face because you might actually react to it. You might have breakouts, you might have you might have breakouts, you might have freckles, you might have freckles, even though they said this particular soap will clear your freckles, your blemishes and all. But the truth is, sometimes when you're trying to clear something with a particular thing, you might actually end up getting more of that thing. That is one thing you do not even know. So, and that is because our face or our skin might not be able to actually tolerate the ingredients incorporated in that particular product. Someone might have acne, and salicylic acid helps to clear acne, and you might use salicylic acid on your face and get so much acne, like more acne on your face, and you're wondering why. But I'm using salicylic acid now. What is going on? So our skin types, differs, and it depends. So that's actually what you should actually check. Your skin type is very, very important. So that is why you should also press chest. You can just press chest around your neck, or don't even try it. Don't try it at all. Just play safe and use a mild face wash on your face instead of using the soap on your face. Does that make sense? Don't forget to use your sunscreen, guys. With that being said, I hope I'm actually really helpful in this video. Am I helpful? Is there any other question? Okay, sorry guys, I'm unable to bring the reviews of this particular soap here because I did not see the review on Amazon, but I saw some video content of that particular soap. People said it was worth and it was actually really good review. Okay, so yeah, that's all I have for you guys for now. Many more after come. Don't forget to please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and post notification, and please share this video as much as you can. I love you guys. See ya. Bye.